Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to create custom properties in Klaviyo. This is incredibly useful for organizing your audience data and personalizing your marketing campaigns based on specific customer attributes. If you want to streamline your workflow and save money on subscriptions, check out the link in my description. Let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to klaviyo.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. This will take you to your main dashboard where you can access all of Klaviyo's powerful features. Now that you're on the dashboard, direct your attention to the left side of the screen where you'll see the main navigation menu. Click on Audience. This section houses all your contacts and subscriber information. From the options that appear, click on Lists and Segments. This is where you can view and manage all the different groups of contacts you've created. Next, you'll need to select the specific list or segment where you want to add the custom property. Click on it to open it up. You'll see a collection of profiles within that list. Browse through and click on the individual profile you want to customize. This opens up that person's complete profile view, showing you all their existing information and activity. Once you're viewing the profile, look for the option that says Add Custom Property and click on it. This is where the magic happens, allowing you to tag this profile with unique data points that matter to your business. A dialog box will appear asking you to input the details. In the property name field, type in something descriptive like status. This serves as the label for your custom data point. Then, in the value field, enter the specific information you want to associate with this property, such as A to B. This could represent anything from a customer tier to a purchase status or any other category you're tracking. After you've filled in both fields, click Add Profile Property to save your changes. The system will process this and add the custom property to the profile immediately. And that's it. You've successfully created a custom property in Klaviyo, giving you more control over how you segment and target your audience. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.